Use social link blocks to add social icons anywhere you can add blocks to your site. The icons link to the URLs that you add in the Social Links panel. It's common to add this block to a footer. To add a social links block, edit a page or post, and then click an insert point, and select Social Links from the menu. You can add a social icon in the Accounts tab by copy and pasting a profile page URL or email address and clicking Enter. When you update the social links in the Social Links block, they also update in the Social Links panel. Because of this, all social links blocks show the same social icons. If you add or remove a social link in one social links block, all other social links blocks on your site will reflect the change. It's not possible to have social links blocks display different social icons. Next, you can use the Design tab to customize the design of the social links. Here you can adjust the alignment, size, and style. Now click Apply to save your changes. To change the order of the icons, drag and drop the accounts. To remove an account, click the account, click Remove, then click Confirm. If you'd like to change the colors of the icons in a social links block to fit with the site's branding, in the Home menu, click Design, then click Colors. Under Theme, hover over your chosen theme and click the pencil icon. And scroll down to Social Links block. Use Main Color to change the color of the social icons. If you're using a solid style for the icons, you can also use the secondary color tweak. And click Save. It's not possible to use the default colors of each service's branding. If you'd like to stand out on social media, take a look at Unfold. Unfold is an app that allows anyone to create elevated and engaging stories for Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. You can choose from over 250 templates, build a brand kit to manage colors, fonts, logos, and stickers, and upload assets to keep future branding consistent. Find out more at unfold.com. Please let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.